Once in a small town, there was an elf prisoner after years of serving time. He was finally released, desperate to turn his life around. He applied for a job at a bakery, but the owner quickly denied him, saying, "I don't hire criminals." Leave, the young elf was devastated by this rejection and walked away. He then applied to various other jobs, but none of them would hire him because of his criminal record, feeling hopeless. The young elf was on the verge of giving up, but one fateful day while walking through town, he saw people screaming and running near the village bakery. It was on fire. While others fled, he ran towards it. When he got there, he heard the bakery owner screaming, "Help me, please, I'm getting baked." The young elf didn't hesitate and rushed in to save her as they escaped the burning building. She whispered, "Thank you for saving me. You're hired." That day, they learned that some people deserve a second chance.